Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make pork egg rolls. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 pound of ground pork, 1 cup of shredded cabbage, and 1/4 cup of shredded carrots. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 package of egg roll wrappers. Finally, have about 4 cups of vegetable oil ready. Now, let's create the delicious filling. First, brown 1 pound of ground pork in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked, then drain any excess fat. Next, add the shredded cabbage, carrots, green onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger to the skillet with the pork. Sauté these ingredients for about 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender crisp. Finally, stir in the soy sauce, sesame oil, and black pepper, ensuring all the flavors. To maximize your King experience, integrate it with other study resources. Begin by watching your Boards and Beyond or Pathoma videos for a topic. Immediately after, unsuspend the corresponding King cards to reinforce what you just learned. Utilize powerful add-ons like Lasso for quick image occlusion, which helps with visual memory. Always supplement your Anki reviews with practice questions from resources like UWorld to solidify your understanding and application of concepts. The final step is frying your delicious egg rolls. Heat about 4 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place 2 to 3 egg rolls into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove the fried egg rolls with tongs and drain them on a wire rack lined with paper towels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.